Ladies and gentlemen, I'm your host for today's snare. They call me Avasne. Avasne. God, if people know that song now, by a famous philosopher, Badosne. Basically, money came from any different pattern. Life with different pattern. Something like that. I don't know, but you get the point. So basically, right? I basically want to teach you guys how to trade, but in a fun way. So I decided, how can I do this very differently? So I'm going to hit the street again today, ask people what they know about trading, and then drop my 2 cents on it and maybe teach them a couple of things about trading. Is that fine? Let's go hit the streets.
What's up, superstar? How you doing? My name is Alpha. What's your name?
You can call me David.
I can call you David.
Yeah.
So you're the one who killed Goliath, yeah? Exactly. Cool. Today's about trading.
I know a lot.
A lot, yeah.
Okay, especially the rumors.
Rumors. Wow. All right. Tell me your favorite rumor.
When you put money inside, it hardly comes out.
It's gone. Okay. It goes like that, yeah. Before you put money inside, did you try to learn how to do it?
Yeah, I did, but I feel that the market is rigged against the smaller boys, but the bigger boys say.
The market is rigged against you. All right, cool. So here's the thing, right? I have over half a decade of experience in trading, and I can assure you that I have had my own fair share of feeling like the market is rigged against us, but it's not the case, right? It's a skill issue. It's a skill and expertise issue, right? When it comes to trading profitably, there are certain things you need to understand. For example, market cycles, right? There are certain times in the market where trading conditions is terrible, and trading is basically doing giveaway to the market. So if you understand market cycle, understand when there's enough volume and volatility in the market, it makes it easier. And personally, I believe one key factor controls price movement, and that's sentiment. Sentiment basically describe the move of market participants, right? They are either greedy or they are fearful. When market participants, especially the bigger boys, are feeling greedy, that's when you see a lot of money flow into the market, especially into risk asset like stocks, crypto, equities, stuff like that. Money flows into it, and if you're well experienced, live experiences. If you have the knowledge of like this particular asset class, it's easier to make money. For example, when the last election results came and then Trump, emerged, you saw what happened to the crypto market, right? Because Trump is pro crypto, and then everybody, finally somebody who is for crypto won, and money flowing into it. Now, would you tell me that if you're like bought during that period, the market would have swallowed your money?
No, I didn't buy.
You didn't buy, but would the market have swallowed your money? If obviously not. Exactly. That's what I'm trying to understand. That when you understand market cycle and you understand market sentiments and also proper analysis, it makes trading a lot easier. And yes, even pros still lose money, but there's also something called risk management, which I believe that a lot of people do not understand. You put $100 in and you're trying to make $1 million immediately. It doesn't work like that. Nah. So there's understanding the markets, and also your risk management helps a lot in profitability. Hit me up on Instagram and let's get you fixed up.